Dhamma Prince, Digha Nikaya is one of the segments of Sutta Pitaka. Digha Nikaya consists of long discourses. There are 34 long discourses in Digha Nikaya. Digha Nikaya has 3 sections. Each section is known as Vagga, Sīlakkanda Vagga, Mahavagga and Patika Vagga. There are 13 long discourses in Sīlakkanda Vagga. Those discourses deal with morality, concentration and wisdom. These discourses emphasizes how the sentient persons practice morality and practice jhana, meditation, and practice wisdom, panya, and attain to nibbana. Thank you very much for listening to me. Blessing of the triple gems be showered upon you.